I want to make your life easier. I want to help you sell more. Okay? I want to make your personal life easier. This concept has got to go. We've talked about it before on Easton University, but this idea of these bi-directional conversations. Hey, if I could have 5 minutes of your time, if I can have 15 minutes of your time, I'd like to show you how we can save you money. We'd like to show you how we can make you more efficient. We'd like to walk you through our new product offerings. It's crap. It's gross. Unless that person, this is you, okay? Hopefully you're in a good mood today. I'm in a good mood. This is your prospect, okay? Maybe they're in a good mood. Unless their hair is on fire right now with the problem that you solve, that your solution solves, unless they are literally on fire, and you try and start that conversation with, if I can have 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to show you how we can help you. Yes, please help me because I'm on fire. They typically don't want to have that conversation. Even if it's a current client. They don't, even if they're listening to you, they don't want to listen to you. Okay? Here's what nobody talks about, but you're welcome. I am. If we triangulate, hey, there is something going on that every blank, fill in the blank, practice administrator, business owner, physician, whatever it is, there's something going on that every blank is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it. What is it? It's XYZ. How are you dealing with that? That's a real problem for us, right? When we triangulate and talk about other people, suddenly our prospects want to have the conversation. When we ask for 10 minutes of their time, God forbid you guys are saying this, please don't ever, to pick their brain or learn about their practice or learn about their business. Stop doing that. Say there's something that every business, every insert role, owner, practice administrator is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. And then talk about the issue. And then talk about how you can help them with that issue after you've asked, how are you dealing with that? Not is that something you're seeing. You're not calling them to learn about their business. You're not calling it pick their brain. You're not calling them to do anything. You're offering insights and you're triangulating. You're talking about something else there. So I want to make sure you guys were aware of that. There's a better way to start conversations. It's not about how much money you can save them or time you can save them or how you can improve their life. You've got to triangulate. You've got to talk about, man, there's something going on that we're seeing. Wanted to make sure you were aware of it and get your opinion on a couple things. Yeah, what is it? It's XYZ. How are you guys dealing with that, right? Use that triangulation approach. Your life will get a whole lot easier. Trust me.
If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future. And you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.